Hey people, so today is a very very contemplative sort of I'm in a contemplative frame of mind. So it's just occurred to me that in the end it's not even about how well or how brilliantly you perform something. It is the fact that you showed up, that you were there to try and do your best, because um, really, I mean, no, there's this very famous plastic surgeon, Japanese, surgeon in Vietnam. I saw this on a Japanese show where he does operations for free, for these children with cleft lips and, really these medical cases. And Vietnam is a very impoverished country. So he was asked what, in during the interview, he said, "Do you know what is my happiest moment?" So the person asking the question said, "When a surgery goes successful, you're really happy." He said, "No, when after performing a surgery, I know that I gave it my best." So my god, it's just such a simple line, but it made me so, I don't know, it makes you think. So really people, even while recording these videos, one part of me thinks like, oh my god, what am I doing? Should I wait for some very brilliant, should I, but no यार, जितना आपकी कैपेसिटी में है, आप अच्छा करो उस वीडियो में. That's the only thing that counts. See, right now also I'm getting scared to upload these other two videos that I did yesterday, and but I'll just go ahead and do it. And I have to say this, that back in college and otherwise also, very like these few times when I had to go and collect a prize and all, I was never there. I like, in terms of that particular day only, I'm not like, I left early from college or things like that. So now, as of right now, it's occurring to me why my higher angels have done that. Because the moment I realize, oh my god, मेरे को prize मिला है or something, I start getting nervous for the next event that I have to do. I'd be like, oh my god, maybe I won't be able to do it so well. So instead, just आँख बंद करके just do your best, and in the end, that's the only thing that counts. So really, people, lots of gyan, early morning gyan. But I was all dressed for a eye healing class, and it didn't happen, I guess. But that's why so much gyan in the morning. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.